Hey, this is Natalie with Bathworks. We'd like to take a few minutes to show you how to use a new product we've launched, Bathworks ECO. It's a new do-it-yourself refinishing kit that takes many of the great features of our original refinishing kits and puts them into a more environmentally conscious coating. Some of the most important highlights of Bathworks ECO are that it's very user-friendly, has little to no odor, dries within 24 hours, comes with an optional non-slip application, and can cover most light surfaces in one coat. Follow along and we'll show you how it's done. If you've done a little digging around for reviews, you may have noticed some people say bathtub refinishing kits have terrible smells to them. In most cases, that would be true. But Bathworks ECO isn't like other refinishing kits. It is kinder to the environment and has no noticeable odor, so you won't have to worry about foul scents plaguing your home for days on end. No matter what your experience level is, from novice to expert, Bathworks ECO is incredibly easy to use. We've developed a system that is very forgiving, and when applied properly, will make sure your bathtub looks amazing. It's tough as nails, is extremely glossy, and can handle normal wear and tear with ease. This kit has great potential. Not only can you use this coating on bathtubs, but you can also refinish showers, tile wall surrounds, countertops, sinks, and more. Before you begin diving into the process of how to use the kit, there are some materials that you'll need to gather to make sure the project goes smoothly. Please feel free to pause the video here to identify equipment you may still need to get before starting. Most importantly, we will be using high-density foam rollers to apply the coating. We recommend having an extra roller sleeve or two on hand, just in case your first roller begins to lose integrity. Having the proper tools and accessories goes a long way to ensure that your project will be successful. There is one other product that we strongly suggest for anyone who's working with porcelain, ceramic, cast iron, or steel surfaces that have not been previously refinished, Bathworks Easy Etch. This product is a mild etching paste that helps prepare the surface for proper adhesion by slightly removing the shine. Easy Etch is not recommended for surfaces made of fiberglass, acrylic, plastic, or something that was previously refinished. With all refinishing work, the biggest key to success is proper cleaning and preparation. We start by removing the caulk, waste overflow, and drain cover. Removing these things are optional, however, we decided to remove them because it's considered best practice. Use Comet, Ajax, or another abrasive cleanser to thoroughly clean your surface first. You can make a paste with water, or you can sprinkle and scrub. The choice is yours. Pay close attention to any areas that may have soap buildup. Leftover soap scum can really hurt your new coating's bond. Next, use some sandpaper to rough up the surface. If you're using Easy Etch, now is the time for that. Save the sandpaper for after you rinse the Easy Etch off. When you're finished using the water, place a glove or plastic bag around the tub spout and shower head. This helps ensure that no water drips onto the surface while you're working. From here, use a hairdryer to make sure your tub is as dry as possible. Any leftover moisture will lead to bonding issues later on. Use a tack cloth to collect any loose debris or dust that may have been left over after sanding. We don't want any contamination on the surface when we go to apply the coating. Finally, use blue painter's tape to mask around the tub. Drop cloths or other coverings should be used to help protect the floor and surrounding areas. It's time to start mixing the product. Begin by emptying the contents from Part B, hardener container, into Part A, coating container. Next, mix the material together using a stir stick for about 3 minutes or until thoroughly incorporated. It's critical that we don't shake the container to mix it. Again, stir only, do not shake. Allow the mixture to rest for about 1 to 2 minutes after mixing. From there, empty the entire bottle of the coating mixture you just made into a paint tray. This step is very important. Any contents left in the mixing container will be unusable within about 5 to 10 minutes. However, any material poured into the paint tray will be usable for about an hour. Don't make this mistake. Begin applying by using a foam brush to dab the coating on areas where a roller won't fit. Load up your high-density foam roller with a fair amount of material. This is important because too little product could lead to a dry roll effect, but too much product can result in drips and runs. Consistency is the key. Start by rolling on the inside walls, working clockwise around the tub. Working in about 6 to 8 inch sections works best. If you notice any drips, lightly roll back into that area to smooth them out. Be mindful of how much pressure you're using while rolling. Using light pressure is ideal. Pushing too hard can cause streaks and imperfections on the surface. Be mindful to revisit your tray as needed to load up your roller. Once the walls of the tub have been rolled, roll the bottom floor, working from the drain out. After the floor, start on the top deck, saving the inside wall closest to you for last. Finally, roll the front face of the tub, also known as the skirt. Now, you may have noticed that your kit comes with an extra coating and hardener container. This is to be used if you think your surface needs another coat. If you think a second coat is necessary, you can apply it after waiting 4 to 6 hours, or whenever the first coat is dry to the touch. Once the final coat has dried for 3 to 4 hours, you can safely remove the blue painter's tape from around the edges by pulling from a 45-degree angle. Each Bathworks ECO Kit comes with an optional non-slip application. This feature is a great option for anyone looking to help prevent slipping and falling in their tub or shower. If you do choose to use the non-slip, it may be applied to your base 24 hours after the final coat. To start, use blue painter's tape to section off a rectangular area on the tub floor. Sanding is not required before applying the non-slip. Empty the contents from Part B, non-slip hardener container, into Part A, non-slip coating container, and mix thoroughly, just like you did previously. Let that mixture rest for a minute or two. Pour the mixed material into the center of your rectangular area and use the roller to spread it evenly. Light pressure is all you'll need. Once finished, immediately remove the blue painter's tape. Finally, the finishing touches. Replace the caulk from any areas you had removed it from at the beginning of the project. 100% silicone caulk is always recommended. For an easy-to-use caulking solution, we use Caulk and Gun in one, a Bathworks product that eliminates the need for a caulk gun. It turns even the most inexperienced caulker into an expert. Once your surface has had 24 hours to dry, it's ready to use. And there we have it, a bathtub that looks brand new with minimal effort, all at the fraction of the cost of replacing. Something you can be proud of. You'll want your surface to shine for years to come, so be sure to take good care of it. Suction cup bath mats are a no-no. Also, avoid using abrasive cleaners like Comet or Ajax as much as possible. Using alternatives like non-suction bath mats and products like Scrubbing Bubbles, 409, or Fantastic work well. You can also check out Bathworks Foaming Cleaner to get the ultimate clean and shine while supplies last. For more cleaning and care tips, please visit our website or give us a call. You can find Bathworks ECO Refinishing Kits available through a variety of online retailers. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Bathworks. There really is a difference.